guys, I'm Mrs. Sarah Price. I'm the Health Science Dean.
And I'm Miss Guy, AP and Social Studies teacher.
And we're here to talk to you today about the summer assignment for Health Science. This is going to be the assignment that we're doing for this coming summer, 2015, and then it will go into the fall as well. So, at Hardin Valley Academy, it's the expectation that all academies do something as an academy over the summer. Traditionally, this was a novel to read as an academy, and everyone was expected to read that novel, and then when you came back to school, you might take a test, you might have to write about the novel, but it went with that in some way. So this year, though, Health Science is going to do things a little bit differently. For this summer, you are going to be allowed to choose your own Health Science adventure. So what this will look like, and all of you should have this in front of you right now. Right? This will explain to you exactly what we're going to do. So all of you as rising sophomores, juniors, or seniors will be expected to get 100 points accumulated. All right, you can get a maximum of 120 points per person, so this can also serve as kind of extra credit for advisory. For rising freshmen, they will have a little bit different requirements. But for you guys, this gives you your lists, your options that you can choose from to, like I said, accumulate your points. It's everything, if you look on here, from TED Talks to you can pick a novel if you like to read, reading an article from a database, to watching an episode of approved TV shows, interviewing somebody in a health science occupation, keeping a food diary. You can also choose from a whole different set of choices that have to do with health and exercise, because we are the Health Science Academy. So if you decide that you want to try to go for a 5K race, you can do that. If you decide, if you want to train, if you want to go and decide that you're going to have a regular exercise regimen throughout the summer, you can do that. It will give you the guidelines for what exactly you need to do to get the points on this piece of paper. So make sure you take the time today, read over it, ask questions if you have any questions.
And the expectation is that all students in health science participate in this activity. Beginning in the fall, students will start presenting their findings, the different activities they took part in, and we're also going to set this up to be a competition between different advisories. So the advisory that has the greatest average of points is going to get a prize, and we have no idea what the prize is yet, but we will.
Stay tuned. Teachers are also going to be participating in this activity, so they're going to choose from these options, and when we get back in the fall, they will be presenting to you all as well about what they have done. If you have any questions about the assignment, you can ask your advisory teacher, or there are specific teachers whose contact information is listed that you can get in touch with at any time with questions or comments or concerns about this assignment. So we're really excited about this. We hope you are excited about this as well. We have talked to some students, and we have a couple of students today that we wanted to get their perspective on what they see as the benefits of this assignment versus the traditional summer assignments. All right, girls, introduce yourselves. Tell us what grade you're in and which advisory you belong to.
All right, I'm Elise Kohlenfelter. I'm a rising senior, and I'm in Miss Lee's advisory.
I'm Olivia Wyatt. I'm also a rising senior, and I'm in Coach McCurry's advisory.
All right, so we told you a little bit about this summer assignment. We let you guys look over it, and we asked you just to give us your all's opinions of this summer assignment that we put together.
All right, well, I think it's a good idea just because people in Health Science Academy have different interests and kind of goals for what they want to do, so this gives them the option to kind of take the path that they want to take instead of the mandatory path.
Yeah, and I feel like this is a better alternative than the novel study, so that you actually have a choice of what you can do, and you can kind of have fun with it. Like, reading a novel is not necessarily the most enjoyable thing, but this actually lets you go out and explore what you want to do.
Have you thought about what you guys might want to do for the assignment?
I'm probably going to watch the TV shows because Forensic Files is on there, and that's awesome. And then probably the exercise regimen, just because I like to exercise.
And I'll probably do the 5K because I need to get in shape. And I'm also going on a mission trip where we're running a sports camp in the Bahamas, and so that'll hopefully count for some of my hours.
It will. So an option I didn't mention before but is on there. So if you are gathering service hours, so something like a mission trip that would count as service hours, you can also reflect on your experience and that will count for this as well. So that would work.
How many points is that one?
That one, let's check our handy sheet. That one, keep holding, is, so 15 documented hours equals 30 points. And you can do that one for additional points as well.
Ms. Price, what are you planning on doing?
I am also going to go with the exercise regimen because I have the bad habit of eating cake and ice cream for breakfast a little too often and not exercising like I should. So this will actually, instead of me just saying I'm going to exercise more, I will actually have to write things down and keep up with it. So I'm going to do that one, and then I am also going to hopefully I have to take a CPR class, and that's on here as well this summer with my summer job, and I haven't had one in a couple of years, so I need to have one. What are you going to do?
That's an excellent question. I am probably going to work on getting back in shape after this as part of an exercise regimen.
All right. So we hope you guys are excited. Thanks for watching. Again, if you have questions, let us know, but everybody have fun. Think about what you want to do this summer, and we will see you back in advisory in the fall.